Hello, welcome to the Handcrafted Home Shop's new channel. This video we're just going to show you how to make our geometric hexagon floating shelves. What I'll do, I'll give you, I'll put some captions on exactly what we're doing, if you can see the angles and etc. we're cutting, and then if you have any questions, please comment or get in contact with us. And what we'll do, we'll try and put in some more videos and things like that. If you could visit our website as well, that'd be fantastic. We sell all of these items at www.handcraftedhomeshop.co.uk. And if there's anything on there you want to show us to show you how to make, then just again leave a comment and we'll do our best to make a video for you. Thanks a lot, hope you enjoy. Bye. Okay, so if you followed all the instructions, hopefully you've ended up with a hexagon. You can use them many different ways, lots of different configurations. I'll put some photos in. Yeah, hopefully you got on alright. If you'd like to see more videos, let me know. Just comment or contact me, and I'll try and do a few more videos on different stuff that we do. And please like and subscribe. Thank you.